What's up, Jaguars? Mr. Crowder here. Here we are. We are going over our topics for our explanatory essay. Now, you will need to pick one of these by the end of the week. So let's take a look at our three topics that we have. Each of these papers will need to be at least 3 paragraphs with an introduction, a body paragraph, and a conclusion, and include a developed thesis statement. And we are going to talk about that later this week. So topic number 1, explain what D-Day is and how it relates to Act 2, Scene 3, and I give the page numbers there. With this option, you will need to tie specific events from the play with what happened during World War II, and you can use the historical timeline and the play to write your paper. So this one is a little bit more history-based. If you want to do a little bit more of comparison between D-Day, the actual event, and what we read in Scene 3 there of Act 2, that would be great. I'm also going to be making separate videos for each of these topics, and we'll be getting, so you'll have more in-depth instructions after break. Topic number 2, relate and compare your experience during our current pandemic with Anne's isolation in Act 2 during her hiding. For this topic, you're going to need to read Anne's journal entries on 167, 181, and 182, and page 186. And then you can use your own experiences to tie everything together. So that is your second option. Again, that's more the nonfiction option. And I have thrown in a fictional option here. Number 3, pretend you are Anne Frank and you are forced to hide in someone else's home for 2 years without ever leaving for fear of being caught. Describe the emotions and actions you would go through and why. Think about these things. What would you be missing in your current life? How would that make you feel? Who would you be living with? What kinds of things would you fight about? And what would it feel like to be confined or kept in such a small living space as all the other people? So those are your 3 topics, and we are going to get more and more in depth with these as we go on. Do not worry. But I want you guys to be able to pick one of these. That's like literally your assignment for today, is to pick some topic or pick your topic. That's all you have to do. Tell me which one you're going to write about. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later.